AquaFunded Account Purchase Method. If you want to purchase a funded account from AquaFunded, let me show you the complete step-by-step process. First, click on the AquaFunded website link given in the video description and open the website. Once the website is open, click on Get Started. You will see different account options including instant account, one-step, and two-step models. Choose the account model according to your trading strategy and budget. You can also choose between different models such as Standard, Pro, and Elite. For this video, I'm going to select the two-step Elite account. After selecting the model, choose your preferred account size and check all the account details and rules carefully. Next, select the MT5 platform if you want to trade on MetaTrader 5. Now click on Purchase Account. If this is your first account purchase, you can apply the welcome discount code if it is available. You can also use my EIL discount code to get the available discount. After applying the discount, click on Next and enter your billing details. Now select your preferred payment method. If you want to pay with cryptocurrency, select the crypto payment option. For example, if you are paying with USDT on the Polygon network, make sure you select the correct network before sending the payment. Copy the provided wallet address and send the required amount from your crypto wallet. Once the payment is completed, wait for the payment confirmation. After your payment is confirmed, your account details should be sent to your registered email address. And that's it. This is how you can purchase an AquaFunded account step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The AquaFunded link is available in the video description, so you can check it out from there. And don't forget to use my EIL discount code if applicable. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.